Hello YouTube. Today I'm making videos of these air conditioners. Can't get the serial and model codes and all that, but they're running, both of these. These are Payne's, and they're really loud. And one of them is off, and it's a very Payne Trane unit. It is a 2009. Yeah, these are both Payne's. They're both running. I think they're from the 2002, because my grandma has a 2002 Payne. Yeah, that's a Trane XR13, so I think that's the 13s here. It's got a big dent inside, and I don't know if it works. But I believe they're heat pumps. All right, I'm going to be pulled down to Riley. And then right over here is a smaller Payne heat pump. And it's from 2002, and yes, it is a heat pump. And, yep. Thanks for watching. Bye.